boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. This is BRABO GATOR, Sad Song. Alright, so I think this is the first time I'm growing guitar here, BRABO GATOR, I believe so. And this is a very guitar-friendly song. We have 5 different chords, and it's kind of the same pattern here through the entire song here. So we're going to learn that together. First, we need to have the right setup. The first frets, that's where you place the capo this time to have the easiest chords possible. So capo on the first frets. Let's go over the chords. We have the B minor here. We're going to start with this bar chord. You place the bar on the second fret, and you do that with the 5 strings from bottom up like this. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Then we have the D F chord. That's basically a D but with an F sharp in the bass, and it looks like this. And what you need to focus on here is to get this right first, because we're gonna focus on the bass strings. But the full chord is like this, so that is 2nd on E, open A, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. You'll probably not go down here to this, the strings down there, but focus more on the bass. Okay, so that's the D F chord. We have the G next. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have the A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And finally we have the D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so 5 chords, and yeah, we have one chord progression that goes for 3 rounds, and then another chord progression that goes for 1 round. So totally it will be 4 rounds together, and these 4 rounds together will roll through the entire song. So we're going to look first at the 3 rounds of the same chord progression there. It will be between the B minor to D, F, and to G. All right. So for the B minor, you just play 1 down. Okay. And then you switch quickly there to the D, F and play up clap. And then you go to the G and play down, down, clap, down. That's it. So you're gonna play that for 3 rounds. 1 round slowly goes like this. Again, so. So 3 rounds like this. Right, and focus, like I said before, more on the bass, mid and bass strings. And once you play these for 3 rounds, you're gonna apply the same pattern but with different chords. Now you go G, A, D. Okay, so G will be played in the same way as B minor, just 1 down. Then A will be played in the same way as the D F chord, up, clap. And D will be played in the same way as the previous G there, down, down, clap, down. So 1 round of that goes. And that was the 4th round. So 3 rounds of the B minor, D, F, and G, and then 1 round of G, A, and D. I'm gonna play one total 4 round course for you. So let's go. And so on. Alright guys, so that pretty much covers the Sad Song from GATOR. So I hope you enjoy this and play tuned.